Today we're gonna be reviewing an advanced heating pad. Here's what's in the box. You got a manual and the heating pad. How it looks inside. It's like little channels. You can feel the cables inside or the graphene cables. And then it's kind of like a felt on the outside. Feels really nice outside on this side. And it's big enough to do your whole bag from side to side or a long way. It fits all the way to the back of the bottom of my back. Got a 7 feet cable, a long cable. So you can put it on and be able to watch TV or be on the bed with it. Turn it on, middle, and it has temperature up, down, and this button back here, down, and then time up, down. It goes from 30 minutes to 4 hours. After 4 hours, that automatic shut off. So you can do 30 minutes if you want, and then, but if you forget that to turn it off, it will shut off after 4 hours. Have different temperature that you can set up, programs, up 8 programs for different temperatures, and then you can do 15 minutes to 4 hours in 15 minutes increments. So that's very convenient. It heats up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than normal. A normal heating pad heats up to 140 degrees. So this one goes up to 160. So it could give you a so it could give you deeper relief with 165, 160 degrees. It will give you deeper healing. It will help your muscles in a deeper level. When you put it on, it will be on a even and deep help because it's flat like this, and you just put it on your back, on your shoulder, or whatever you put it on, and it will treat the whole area evenly. It heat up pretty fast. I just turned it on when you saw me do it, and it's pretty hot right now. So if you're looking for a thermal heating pad that it works great, it works in a deeper level. It has graphene technology, so it's less consumption of power and give you a lot hotter than a normal pad. It's really soft and convenient. You can roll and take it with you if you're traveling. This is the one. The price is great, very well made. I would definitely recommend it. So I hope this video helped you make the decision, and thank you.